Hey guys, coming to you from Monterey down in the wharf. Pretty empty. Looks like there's a lot of construction going, fixing the pavement while they're shut down for a while. We're gonna run down today and check out the sailboat. So empty. It's whale watching. Everybody's shut down. So weird to see. I got my boat out on a mooring buoy out here. So I got a new rowboat the other day, used one, pretty crappy one. But used to be a real nice fishing boat. It's a smoker craft. We'll go down and check it out. Boats are all moored out here, so we'll check out my boat. Right, this is where we keep all of our rowboats, dinghies out here, so we can get out to our boats. A lot of different ones. I just picked up this old smoker craft, number 364. He said he was asking about $400 for it, but he had two motors with it. I didn't need a motor. Got a motor on the boat already. So, yeah, I picked that up pretty cheap. Jump on board a minute. I had an old Zodiac, inflatable. It's kind of an expensive boat here, but it was rubbing against this old aluminum boat next to it. I was afraid it was going to get damaged, so this is what we got. The guy that sold it to me said his sons had painted it for duck hunting, so they had all kinds of stuff painted on it. But you can see it's an old smoker craft from the red on the side. It's a sweet old boat. We got definitely it's a project. It's been raining, so we got a little water in it. I'll bail that out in a minute. Hopefully it doesn't fall in the ocean. Yeah, my feet are going to get a little wet. That's all right. Yeah, so still in good shape. We're going to head out to the sailboat in a minute, check it out. But you can see I've got some repairs I got to do on here. This is loose here. Just makes the boat a little unstable. You can see that corner over there is missing a corner piece. We'll get that all tied together. We'll replace that transom in there. It'll still hold the motor, but you know, I like to have that nice and fresh looking. Put a nice coat of paint on it, bring it back to its red and silver the way it was. Got a new plug for it. Some of the birds left me a shell. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna bail out a minute and we'll row out to the boat, the sailboat, and see you in a minute. All right, got her all bailed out. I wanted you guys to check out this sunset. It's coming over Monterey. Got a little glare on my phone, so I can't really see what you're seeing, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful sunset out here. So we got the old rowboat ready to go. We're untied. Got her all bailed out. Gonna head on out to the sailboat out here. Hopefully I don't knock my phone in the water. guy's got a little houseboat, if you can see that over there. A neat little thing. Everybody's boats are tied up here. See, the skies are turning blue. Beautiful. Beautiful boats out here, just rowing out. Check out that. See, this guy's got his little boat out here, so he obviously came out here. He's out now in his sailboat. So, in the background, I don't know if you can hear the harbor seals and the sea lions. I think before the sun goes down, we'll roll over there and get a shot of those guys. So, hey guys, just rode over by the Coast Guard dock. We'll roll over here by these sea lions. Don't want to get too close to them. It's definitely protected. So you can hear them. There's a ton of them. There's a surge wall out here that protects us from the big waves that are coming through. They all congregate on this thing. Well, they make a lot of noise just as the sun's going down. There's dominance. Everybody wants their own little piece of the rock. Let's get a little bit closer. See those guys on. Birds, sea lions, harbor seals. Beautiful. Super interesting for me coming from Michigan. You know, we don't get to see this stuff. I'm used to saltwater. I've always been on the Great Lakes, so to see stuff like this is super interesting to me. So, but yeah, we're just over here by the Coast Guard dock. Sun's going down, so we'll head over to the boat in a minute and give you a little walkthrough and show you some of the things that I've changed on it so far.